Welcome again, and today, as I promised before, I have the making of the cover for my Dephemberember journal. I'm gonna show you step by step all the details and beautiful things I did in order to have an amazing cover while I am going to tell you the story of the lady butterfly. So I wrote something that you are going to like. Once she was silk and winged, a dancer of wings. One twilight, when stars whispered secrets only dreamers can hear. She wished, fierce and full, how can I be a woman? The wind still calls her sometimes, soft and sweet, a memory of what was. But she stays grounded, rooted by choice. By longing made real, a butterfly becomes a woman, wingless but free. I guess we all are butterflies. We don't have wings in a physical world, but we can fly. Our hands can be considered as the wings of creativity. And right here, what I'm doing is I am using a little pink piece of fabric that was part of a blouse, and in which I'm gonna be hanging a lot of little details I have around here in my stash. So, placing a lady's face on a butterfly merges humanity with nature, symbolizing transformation and beauty and the soul's journey. Without any doubts, butterflies are a symbol of transformation and rebirth, empowerment and freedom. Many cultures see butterflies as a representation of the soul. Adding woman's face could signify a connection to inner spirit, spiritual awakening, or transcendence. To make this cover special and different, I am trying for the very first time putting lace on one of my covers for my journal, and also a lot of beads and a lot of little dangles I've had around. And stay tuned because in my next episode, I'm going to show you a little secret or a little way that you can use to keep all your little treasures, those little things that we found, a broken earring, a missing pearl from a necklace, whatever. We keep a lot of stuff. As you can see here, I have a bunch of little boxes that I love, and every time I open them, I found memories. I find amazing sparkly things with sound. Sometimes a piece of a craft, and a piece of a brush that makes me think and remember amazing moments. So as you can see here, I'm doing it using this little piece of pink fabric. So it was the perfect piece to have it in the center of the journal. And as you can see, it was so nice because I was able to hang all the little dangles there, and I didn't have to make holes or punch holes in the spine. If you want to do something like this, they sell these little big nails, and I don't know exactly the name, but they sell it at Michael's, so you can have it and you just can go in there and put as many things as you want, as far as they have two holes, so you can go in there and then make the little ring, and then you're going to be ready to hang them. And as you can see here, I was holding everything together with some clips. And this lady butterfly is amazing. I see that umbrella and I love it. I see that face and also that dress. It was a really a dress. You see the body in here. It was really a dress from some famous brand. I don't remember which one it was, but I picked it up from a magazine and I love it because it has the same theme and color scheme down the wings. So lately, like I've been looking for different things because I wanted to do creative stuff that you can enjoy. And even if you're not making any journal, you can spend a little bit of time here watching YouTube and watching my episodes, and then just for distraction or for inspiration and creation. So for the final touch, I'm adding some sparkly little things like hearts, stars, little circles, little beads, like sparkly beads. I think they are beautiful. They come with glue on the back, so they're easy to use and easy to find. As you can see, this is probably one of my first more complicated or layered cover that I loved. It was handmade with love. That's the phrase on the heart. And for the next episode, I'm gonna show you a different way to place the date and month and the year for your junk journal cover using Aida cross stitch fabric. So don't miss the next episode. And by the meantime, in a moment, I'm going to upload my next ephemera because I'm following Dephemberember 2024. It's a pleasure to read your messages, so don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up and also comment down here below. What do you think about having this lady with wings and being in converted into a butterfly? Totally transformed, totally amazing, and just waiting for me to keep working in this amazing journal, which now has a cover. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon, very soon. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye, friends.